Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to another episode of Decked 101. I'm your somewhat reliable host, Greg Randolph, the marketing guy here at Decked. Going to give you the lowdown and run you through the new product here we've got behind us called the DECKED CargoGlide 600. As you can see, this is a half bed width slide. Comes out, you can mount it to your naked truck bed. You can put a top of a drawer system. In full-size trucks, you can put two side by side in the bottom of your truck. On top of a drawer system for both full-size and mid-size, you can put two side by side. You can also put it pretty much wherever you want, side to side, into the back of your truck for a customized access and storage situation for you. So I guess the big question is, why would I want this in my truck? If you're the kind of person who never wants to crawl in their truck bed again, you're like most of us, now you have a system to access everything that's back there without leaving the ground. This is a perfect product for tradesmen who have things like compressors, toolboxes, generators, big heavy stuff. Now you can just get at it without leaving the ground. If you're more of an outdoors, weekender kind of person, this is awesome for coolers, camp boxes, gear boxes, kitchens, whatever you got that you want to take out with you on your adventure. And if you're the kind of person that wants to divide your cargo in half, you can put two of these in here and you can be able to segment those things and get what you want when you want it. So the DECKED CargoGlide 600 is built with the same robust construction as the 1000. Only with a 600-pound payload capacity. It's 24 inches wide, and it has a 75% extension. That means you can pull that thing out 75% of the way, and in reality, 75% of the way gets you right to the back of your tray. It's low profile. That means it's only 3.5 inches from the top of the bed to the top of the tray. That gives you a lot of clearance for things like tonneau covers and caps if you have that in the back of your truck. Super efficient use of space. The CargoGlide 600 uses the same industrial grade materials as all of our products in the CargoGlide series. We use an American powder coated steel frame that does all the heavy lifting underneath there. The deck is made from a 3/4 inch marine grade plywood, and that plywood's coated with a thermoplastic top sheet to protect it and keep everything scuff free. Around the outside, there's extruded aluminum sidewalls, and the corner returns are made from injection molded resin just to protect everything, give it a nice look, keep things from snagging. And then really, most importantly, it's got this really cool ergonomic handle that's very easy to use. You just reach in there, squeeze it, comes right out to you, put it back the same way. We make the CargoGlide 600 for nearly every pickup truck that's on the road today. All the way down from the little tiny Ford Maverick to your mid-size trucks with 5-foot and 6-foot beds to full-size trucks with 5.5 and 6-foot beds. We do not make an 8-foot bed model of this, but you can put a 6.5 or 5.5 foot bed length model in the back of your 8-foot truck bed. The deck drawer system is also compatible with the CargoGlide 600. Uses those quick mounting brackets. It's a no drill install. And like I said, you can put one on its own or two side by side in the back of all full-size and mid-size trucks. As a part of the redesign of the CargoGlide products, we brought all these upgrades into the CargoGlide 600. So roller bearings and sliding rails, really solid, almost no rattle here side to side. You're gonna love that about this product. And if you're one of those owners that has one of those pesky tailgates that tends to tilt up at the end or something like that, which has maybe been a hassle for people in the past, we've solved this problem now with these adjustable height roller bearings at the tailgate end. That automatically allows you to adjust the ramp angle of the tray so it doesn't rub on your tailgate. Like all the products in the CargoGlide line, the 600 is compatible with your spray and bed liners. It is not compatible with things like a bed rug or a drop-in plastic liner. You're going to get rid of that thing. You're not going to need it anyway with this in the back of your truck. It is possible that the 600 works with a fifth wheel or a gooseneck, but you're going to really have to do your homework and check it out to make sure. It is not compatible with anything like a composite truck bed or the Carbon Pro truck bed. And with service bodies and ram boxes, you just have to check with us and make sure it works with your particular application. You will be really stoked to find out when you purchase the 600, it comes with 4 D-ring tie downs. They're included, and you can purchase additional sets of 4 on our website or from our dealers. And then the high sides are also available as an accessory on our website or from our dealers. Just like all products we make, the 600 is backed by our no-nonsense lifetime warranty. It's available at deck.com. You can purchase from us directly, come right to your door. You can do the install yourself, or you can search on our website in the upper right-hand corner, the dealer locator, You can purchase it from one of our thousands of dealers across the country. They'll come to their location, you can go show up and they'll install it for you or pick it up and take it home. Thanks for tuning in. That is the lowdown on the new DECKED CargoGlide 600. If you have any questions about this product, the installation, or any other DECKED products, please do not hesitate to hit us up either in the comments of this video. You can send us an email, a chat, an SMS, a phone call, whatever you got. We want to work with you. It's an awesome product. I know you're going to be pleased. We're really excited about it. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.